right, y'all, here's another unboxing from Queen Peasy. Y'all know that knife is treacherous, okay? He is treacherous, but we'll be right back. All right, you guys, I'm all done. Yay, more things. I kept a hand in this box, so we'll start with him because I wanted you guys to see how he came. This is from Walmart, you guys. The practice hand that you can order off of Walmart. Just so you can see the flimsy packaging they have going on with it. But this is the hand here. So, I'm going to practice on it. It looks to be pretty decent though. Pretty decent quality. It's not bad. It's got deep nail beds so you can put the nail in there, inside of there, instead of gluing it. And yeah, I'm excited because I actually have a hand to practice with, so thank goodness it finally came. The shipping was horrible, you guys, horrible. Like, just order it off of Amazon because Walmart, their shipping department is horrible. So whatever, Walmart, whatever. So that's how we feel about that. But anyway, this adorable top, I got this from Chic, and it's one of those puffy little kind of sweater tops or whatever. It's very tiny, but it's cute though. I like it. I really do like these little puffy sleeves. I think that's adorable. So we'll just see how he looks on. That's all I can say about that. Then we have this beautiful pink silk top. He is gorgeous. I love him. I love these print tops that are popular because they, like I said, they remind me of like wannabe Versace prints. They're so cute. And this is another one, and it's silk, and he's very nice. He feels very nice to your skin, so you know. But once again, because it's thin, you'll probably have to put like a little tank underneath or a little shell or something. And then I got these earrings, which I ordered off of Chic Me's site as well. So cute, cute, cute. I love these earrings, and I love this shirt and this shirt. And we're gonna learn to love my little practice hand. All right, you guys, peace out.